Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to cartoonize your picture in Canva. First things first, you're going to want to choose the type of design you want to create. Maybe you want to create it in the form of Instagram story or Instagram post or in a form of presentation, whatever you want to use, it doesn't matter. This tutorial will still work either way. But for today, I'm going to be using Instagram post for my file type or for my design size. So here I click on create a design and then I choose Instagram post. And if you would like to use your own picture, you can just go ahead and click on upload right here, and then you can upload your picture through here. Go ahead and click upload files and choose your picture from your PC gallery, or maybe if you're going to be doing this through your phone, you can just choose one from your phone. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to be using pictures available on Canva. So I'm just going to search for profile picture maybe. I'm going to search for profile pic, like so. Then I'm going to go to the photo sections and I'm just going to choose one from these pictures. I think I'm going to be using this ones right here, and I'm going to adjust this so it's going to fit into my design. All right, perfect. That looks nice. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the background of this picture. If you do not have Canva Pro account, you might not have access to remove the background, or even if you do remove the background, you might still get the Canva watermark. So if you're fine with it, go ahead and do that. So in order to access your background remover, you want to click on your picture, click on edit image, and then click on background remover, and now you got your background removed. Once you got your background removed, you're going to want to duplicate your page, and I'm doing this just so that we will have the comparison of the actual image as well as the one that we're going to cartoonify. Next, you're going to go to this app section on the left side of your screen, and the first thing you will see is something that looks like this. And if you scroll all the way down, you will find a bunch of apps that you can use. Now, when you're trying to cartoonify your picture, there are actually several options that you can explore. The first one is by creating a cartoon version of your picture in anime style. Then we also got the one in the form of cartoon style, or even in the form of painting, and we're going to try all of them one by one. So let's start with the cartoonify here. I just want to see how it will look like if we're using this. So this is how the result will probably looks like. So all you have to do is click on the cartoonify, click on open, and then you can go ahead and choose cartoonify and replace. And now you wait until you're done, until your picture is done being edited. All right, so this is how it looks like when you're trying to cartoonify your picture with these apps. Now let's try with the other apps. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo this and explore other cartoonifying apps, and let's see how it will look like if we are using the Animify right here. So again, click on the apps and then go ahead and click on open, and then you can go ahead and click Animify and replace. So this is how it looks like. It looks more like a comic drawing because it is indeed edited in that form. I kind of like how this looks like, so I think I'm going to keep it right here and just going to go ahead and duplicate this one once more, just so that we got comparison. And I'm going to go back to the app section and try another apps to cartoonify our picture. So we try these one, and I'm going to try this Paintify ones to make our picture looks like it comes from a painting. Then go ahead and click on Paintify and replace. Alright, so this is how it looks like with the Paintify. Also looks really nice. I really like how it looks like. This is the comparison with the Animify. With the Animify, also looks pretty. Now let's duplicate this once more and try the apps one more time. Now, last but not least, we're going to be trying these other apps called Reimagine. So this one has more options than the other apps that we've just tried. So the other apps just gives us a straight result like these two right here. But with this one, you can actually select several types of style. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the picture that you want to edit. And you can choose the art style. You want this to be in the form of art, and then they have sketch, anime, mystic, arcane, and cartoon. And I am going to be trying all of them, and I'm going to get back to you with the result. So apparently you got limited credits with the Reimagine apps, but I managed to create some from the art style. So let's take a look at all of them. So this is the original pictures that I have. Next we got this one's created, and this one is in the style of art. So you can see it looks really similar, it looks really cute. And then I also managed to create one in the form of sketch, which is this one's right here. And if you would like to see the amount of credits that you will get in a day, you can just take a look at the bottom part over here. So it says that I have 0 credits left, and it will restore my credit 24 hours after my last edit. So I managed to create 2 out of 6. And then this is the one that we created with the Paintify. And this one is the one that we create with the Animify. And you can just choose from any of the apps that I've just shown, which one do you like the best. If you would like to download all of them, you can go ahead and click on share, then click on download and choose the file type that you want. And you can also choose on which page you want. You can choose all pages, or if you would like to choose just one of them, you can just click on the page that you want to download and then go ahead and click on download. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a cartoon out of your own picture. That is how you can cartoonify your own picture. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.